getting these timeless sleepers, and they've got them ready for us, which is great. It's working today. We've collected the sleepers, and that had to be a time delivery. We've got to do a time delivery on the all-in now, and now we're having a time delivery on the artificial grass. It just goes to show that it's all about organising, I suppose, which is alien to me. Well, we've got a time delivery with Juicens now, and we've got to make sure that we actually get there, but we've just been stuck in a little bit of traffic, and I don't know how much time you're supposed to allow for this sort of thing, because you don't want to be hanging around and waiting for a while, but it looks like if you want the service, you've got to make sure that you get there. Let's see how this turns out now. Well, we've arrived in Juicens. It's 11 o'clock on the dot, and they let us in, so we're here when we said, and now they've gone off to get our bag of all-in. So I was just explaining to Simon, my friend, my esteemed colleague and customer who I adore, and sorry, I was just saying about on the YouTube videos, you've seen the comments where people say about my son on his phone. And guess what? Well, this is what's happening during this period. People are, filling up with product, and they're getting as much as they can in, but as a result of it, they're just overloading, and that short wheelbase transit, that's not good at all. That's not safe, actually. Well, we need the spare battery and the charger for the Urbeya, and we need more screws, and we need nails, and we need batten, and we need sleepers. Well, in B&Q at the moment, B&Q is fully opened. They've got these marks here, exactly 2 meters. There we are. Stand over there, Carl. They've obviously marked these out. Stand over there by the 2 meter, mate. If you look at that now, right, this is how far we should be apart, and some people aren't just keeping the distance. Well, I was hoping, as B&Q opened, that they'd have some plants, but obviously they've got nothing here at the moment. I think people have been buying them. They've all been gone, all gone. Empty. But they are open for other stuff, which is good. Well, this is nothing new, but you can see it's good what B&Q's done here. They've got these different systems here, how you can set up your stud work for your composite decking, and these wind up and down, and you can get extensions on them as well. And they've got this system here. This is good. I think this is really good. This one here, they've got that glued here, obviously for display purposes, but this is good. That's a pad stone. That ain't going to go anywhere, there you are. That's for wood. Interesting. Well, clearly what's happening across the country now is that with Juicens, because we're a trade card cash holder, they're showing some loyalty to us down there, and same as B&Q now, because we got a trade card again, we don't have to queue. We're allowed to go straight in, which is good, because it's important, it's essential that we get our products for us as a business, whereas some people are going in there and just doing their own bit of DIY, and so it's important that we're able to earn a living, I suppose. So they're showing some loyalty there, so the change of things to come. There we are. This is the decking we've put in. Now we've got to create a sleeper wall going around along there to retain that part of the garden, and the concept had changed because of budget. And we, in this corner here, we were going to have another small decked area, but that's changed now. So we're going to put a sleeper system wall going around there, and let's see what it turns out like. Well, it's been a warm one today, absolutely scorching. I've had my shirt on, get my shirt on, but you can see what we've done now. You can see the ground goes up, and what we've done with the client here, we've worked to some specifications from the good lady to what steps she wanted in this raised bed. It's a funny sort of shape really, because it sweeps round and you've got a deep border in the corner. We were going to put a decking system there, but they've decided to not do that. They want a good big planting pocket, which they've got. So we've got these sleepers from BSW. These are the timeless sleepers, so they've got this real age look. They shot blast them, and what we've done is on each section they are the distance 1.5 meters of the aero cladding behind, so it just, there's some cohesiveness in sort of unity in size with the cladding on the back. As you can see, there's gaps between the cladding, so we can put some wires up there, and our client's going to be planting them with some honeysuckle and some jasmine and clematis possibly, I don't know all of it. But our next step would be to start preparing that border behind there. Well, I'm back. It's been a hard day today. I had a bit of digging, but I've got back now, and I've had some plants delivered from Proctor's Nursery in Staffordshire. There we are, www.proctorsnursery.co.uk, and the telephone number is for web sales 01782 504 739. You need to speak to Dan. He's on the Landscape and Survival group. Absolutely, these plants, they're just, let's have a little look inside. I'm so excited. It's like Christmas Day here. Look at that. Look, and they look so healthy. Really, I'm gonna have to get these out of the box. There we have got some heucheras in there. We've got some Nepeta over here. I don't know what quite there. I'm gonna have a look in a minute. Got some plants in there. Got some plants in here. There's some Verbena bonarensis in there. We've got some lupins down there. I can see the lupins straight away. Look at those. Proctor's Nurseries. If you're looking for plants and you can't get the plants, I went into B&Q today and they had nothing in there. Just check them out.